shaving. Oh!
Why did you cut yourself shaving?
Because I'm an idiot. What do you want from me?
Maybe you should use this aftershave.
What? Why the hell would I want aftershave?
This is astringent.
What the hell is an astringent? Give me
No.
that.
Go look it up.
Okay.
An astringent is a substance that causes biological tissues or canals to contract or to be drawn together, which reduces the discharge of mucus or blood. Put it on.
Okay, I put it on. I put it on. Oh.
Medical astringent reduces unwanted discharge like mucus or blood to help patients become more comfy. Also, another astringent is calamine lotion.
Oh, that feels so much better. Oh, aftershave.